Harnessing the power of nature, CITRUS-KLEEN Non-Butyl Heavy-Duty Cleaner Degreaser removes heavy grease and soils from any water-washable surface. Manufactured with environmentally safe, natural citrus oils, along with detergents, chelating agents, buffering aids, and water softeners, CITRUS-KLEEN cuts through grease and grime fast, and the free-rinsing, water-soluble formula leaves surfaces deodorized with a clean, bright shine. Whether you apply with a mop, sprayer, brush, or pressure washer, CITRUS-KLEEN produces fast grease-cutting action with minimized labor and low foam. In a wide variety of facilities, when just any ordinary cleaner is not enough, CITRUS-KLEEN is the ideal choice.